Welcome to ProCoder. This is a recorded demo for our product. What you're seeing now is our homepage. On top is our navigation bar containing our logo and links to different features. Here's our leaderboard, and most 10 users with the highest points will be displayed, along with their profile photo, username, and points. These cards give some brief explanations on the features that we support. Down the bottom, we have a self-promotion table of our strengths compared to other platforms. Now, let's go and explore some questions.
Our Explorer page is a list of questions, and most of 5 will be shown on each page, auto-ordered by question ID in descending order. On the left, there's the search function. We can search by question content including the words in question titles, descriptions, and tags. Or we can select one or more tags that we want to browse. For each question, there are 4 sections for different aims. Details of this question are shown in the first section on the left. We can see the function name, the description of what we need to achieve, and some examples provided by the author. The solving section is on the right. We can put our solution here and press a check. Fitting the test cases look like this. And successful submission will look like this. We took inspiration from CodeRunner, and the tool we are using for code checking is Job Solver, the exact same one that CodeRunner is using. Job is a server that supports running of small compile and run jobs in a variety of programming languages. Job compiles the source code and runs it with the given input data. It returns a run result object containing various status information plus the output and error output from the run. We use that information to provide feedback to our users. Since we submitted some solutions, we can now see them in the submission history. Clicking on the view code can check your past solution. You can use this function to help others in the discussion area. Like, this user is seeking help on how to solve this problem. If you are kind enough, you can choose to share your solution. Further details on the discussion will be covered in the community section.
Dispatch solving questions. We wish to simplify the process for users to create a question. The tag field section rather than text, so users that have no idea on what to post can have some hints. Of course, this may lead to a lack of variety for the questions, but our future plan does contain custom tags. Back to the present, we now need to provide a title, function name, description, and our sample solution. The preview window will give the author an idea of what will show up for the users who is trying to solve this problem. Then, we need to provide the input with some print statements for the test cases. Click on the check button. It will use the sample solutions to run the test cases with Job and generate the output. If we found the accepted output is not what it should be, then we know that our sample solution is somewhat not correct. We made the sample solution a required field, not only to simplify the process of generating test cases, but also to reduce the chance for error to occur in the test cases. After double-checking the test cases and the preview window, we can press the post button. Now, if we go back to Explore Questions, we can see the one we just posted in the top.
Now let's have a closer look into the user community. As you might have noticed, 2 different search methods are on the left-hand side of this page. They work the same way as the ones on the question page. There are 2 types of discussions, general discussion and comments on question. Users are able to reorder comments like this. General comments can cover a wide range of subjects. They don't need to relate to any of the existing questions. We are now seeing a general discussion. We can join the discussion by sending a follow-up comment or just simply click the like button. Of course, if that was a mistake, we can click on the like button again to cancel the like. We can also share our thoughts by posting a general comment and choose 1 to 2 labels that match our content. Do keep in mind that empty comments are not allowed. Let's have a look at the other type of comments. For the comments that are linked to a question, their tags are derived from their questions. The only difference is that the description of the question is above the discussions. We can join the discussion here, or we can use the link, jump straight to the question page.
Clicking here will lead you to the profile page. Your account details are displayed here. You can change your profile photo or edit your info. The whole section on the left displays your activities. These are the achievements we just achieved by posting, solving, and commenting a certain amount of times. Here's our recent submission history, containing the question title and our results, green for passing and red for failing, just the same as our results showing while submitting. We can also see a line chart showing our activities in 1 week and details of each day in this week. There's also a pie chart showing our overall activities. This point here, below our profile photo, is calculated by our participation in ProCoder. As we just did some activities, we are having some points. Finally, we can log out by clicking here, and we can see the demo account is now on the leaderboard. More content coming up in 1 second.